So we've been staying at a Castle Dome and the Kofa National Wildlife Refuge for the last few days. And we were thinking about staying another night or two, but it looks like the winds are going to pick up and we don't want to get stuck here over the next few days. So we are heading into town to pick up a couple packages that are waiting for us. We're going to do the water fill, dump the tanks, maybe stop by the grocery store really quick, and then head out to, at least the goal is to head out to Kings Road dispersed camping for a night, maybe 2 nights until the wind passes. And then we're going to head further north in Arizona and see what's going on. It looks like the temperatures are warming up, at least at night, where it's not getting below freezing on a regular basis. So we've been trying to avoid that. All right, so we'll see you in town. So we made it in and out of the grocery store. Everything's going well. Found everything we needed, and Kern is grabbing some packages from an Amazon locker at a convenience store right now. This is the first time we're doing this, I think, and it looks like it went smoothly. Okay, we've made it to the dump station, and I gotta throw out the trash and dump the tanks, and here we go. We know how far. Maxie's on guard at the dump station.
Winky, are you?
Yeah. So we're at a drinking water kiosk called Aqua 2000 water vending, and these are all over town, and you get, I think, 5 gallons of water for $1. So that's what we're doing. Looks like our route to King Road dispersed camping is going to be about an hour. So if everything goes smoothly, we should get to our camp about 5:30 p.m. So an hour to spare before sunset. Looks like another planet here. It's so cool. today was an odd day because we were at our campsite, did our normal morning thing, did our morning work.
Yeah, we're just working.
Had lunch.
Then,
and then got the notification that the packages came, and so we sprung into action. But we already had a plan in place.
Right.
Like if that happened,
we knew what we were going to do.
We knew what we were going to do, and so we started breaking everything down. But yeah, we got all packed up, and then we were basically in a race against sunset.
Yeah, and then we were both kind of like talking if there was more daylight, we might have kept going.
Yeah.
But this campsite's really nice, so I'm glad that it worked out the way it did.
Yeah, we had a little mood boost after all of our chores in town. It was like golden hour, and we're not usually traveling during golden hour, and so the light was really beautiful, and the highway was like dead. It was like all hours, and the surface was really smooth, so it felt awesome.
Mm-hmm.
We weren't being rattled to pieces, and we felt like we could just drive forever.
Yeah.
But we came to King Road dispersed camping, and I guess we're technically past that area, maybe, because we're back in Kofa.
I'm not sure, but that was our entrance.
That's the entrance, right?
So, yeah.
King Road.
Yeah.
Drove by lots of campsites, lots of RVs, and kept going and going and going until we stopped seeing people.
Right.
And then we started looking for a spot.
And we're finally relieved to see somewhere to park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have this really beautiful campsite surrounded again by just really incredible mountains, close and far. So you get all the different colors, and the mountains just kind of fading in the distance, and lots of interesting plant life, and of course the stars right now are amazing. The moon is also really bright, which is sort of washing things out, but it's still really, really cool.
Yes. Yeah, it's really great. 5 stars.
Maybe
well,
how many stars?
5-star review. Maybe 1,000 stars. I don't know.
But yeah, so we're gonna wait out the wind here
Mm-hmm.
the next couple of days, and the gusts are not gonna be that violent or anything. We've been through some pretty crazy storms at this point, windstorms.
Right.
This one is just gonna be the winds will be just high enough to make driving
on a single lane highway
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Right, just a little too stressful. So we're gonna hang out here at King Road dispersed camping back in Kofa, and then once the wind lets up, where are we going?
I don't know exactly.
Not
Maybe
sure.
Cattail State Park, just to reset there,
Mm-hmm.
or somewhere around Havasu.
Yeah, we still haven't done laundry. If you saw our first longer video, we still haven't done laundry. We still haven't had proper showers.
In a while, yeah.
I don't remember how many days it's been, but
Probably a week, I don't know.
we do have our cleaning methods that we're doing on ourselves. So we're not completely dirty, but yeah, shower will be nice whenever, wherever we find that.
Right.
Do a little reset and kind of working our way north. The nights are not getting as cold, so we can move a little further north without risk of freezing our plumbing in the RV. So